All right, Mike is back with our full look at the forecast, and we've got a lot to look forward to, but some stuff to get through to get to that stuff, if that makes sense.
You know, Lee, I was going to quiz you on how much snow we've seen so far in March, but the answer's behind me, so.
Oh, hold on. I'm going to say 8.1 inches.
Yeah, pretty good.
Wow.
Fantastic guess. Right down to the. Yeah, that was perfect. A couple spots that haven't seen any snow, though, Portland and Bangor. Portland, that'll change tomorrow, but Bangor, I don't know that it will. We will slowly start to see rain switch over to snow overnight tonight, mostly along the coastline. And then after that, things are only looking warm and dry. The only spots that have really seen significant snowfall so far this month would be Caribou at 8.9 inches. Now, as we get into the later part of today, we start to see more moisture thanks to a cold front that's passing. We're starting the day off with some snow showers, mostly through Piscataquis County now. These will keep moving east and eventually into Aroostook County, but we do have some flakes being mixed in through northern New Hampshire, Coos County too, and then into western Maine. But this is not the big story of snow to come. Another thing that I want to mention here, we saw a lot of that severe weather through parts of Mississippi and Alabama last night. That's all going to shift off to the east today, and along the eastern seaboard you can actually see where the severe threat is, mostly through parts of Florida and all the way up to Virginia and a little farther north. So this is March. We've got severe weather ongoing in parts of the country, we've got snow ongoing in parts of the country, and we've got more snow in the forecast here locally. Temperatures for most today, I still expect to make into the mid to upper 40s despite the cloud cover. Here's the showers that start to fire up this afternoon and evening, especially mostly rain. And then you can actually see the progression of that colder air by 10 o'clock tonight. It'll be 20 in Caribou with the clouds clearing out, but at the coastline, it'll be still near 40 degrees. And then we see that moisture move on in, and this model has actually pushed a lot of that snow south, but I still think we'll see mostly snow at the coastline into the morning hours tomorrow before we start to clear things out tomorrow afternoon. Another cold and blustery day on tap for Friday. Not much, maybe a coating, and then 1 to 2 inches across the far southern portions of Maine. So this is going to include most of the mid-coast and then most of York and parts of Cumberland counties. The 2 to 3 inch line is going to be mostly seacoast New Hampshire. I don't think that we see really anything else out of this system. I do want to mention, though, that since the winds pick back up, it'll feel cold, especially tomorrow morning. Wind chill values in the mountains about 10 below, northern Maine similar, and statewide feeling like single digits. But that's it for the cold. Beyond this, as far as I can see, we'll be talking about milder temps. So if you like winter, we've got a little more snow in the forecast tomorrow. But if you are just waiting for spring to start, it starts right on time on Saturday. Here's the colder air settling in for Friday. By Saturday, we see milder air slowly make its way closer to us. Sunshine returns for Saturday and Sunday. It gets milder for Sunday, and then beyond that, it only gets warmer. Things are looking pretty toasty through the 7 days, so a lot of sunshine mixed in there too. The only big thing that concerns me here is we do need some rain eventually. Otherwise, we'll be using that D word, drought, again, which I do not want. Seas 2 to 4 feet today. Southwest wind 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 25 knots. Clearing tomorrow in the afternoon. Happy spring Saturday, and then after that, it is just a total cakewalk. Really no big weather in the horizon. Dealing with the sea breeze at the coastline, which keeps it a little bit colder, but Lee, when you have 4, 5, 6 days straight of sunshine this time of year, temperatures 15 degrees above average, I mean, we're just sailing.
It's a lot of fives on that board there, Michael. I like those fives.
Yeah, not bad.
You can make them sixes, but I also like the fives.
Yeah, so we'll see what happens.
Not being greedy. Thank you, sir.